In this SFX tutorial video, we're going to go and take cards and stick them to our heads to make it look spooky, and this is great for a Halloween costume, maybe cosplay, or anything that you're thinking of for spooky season. So let's get started. For this makeup, I'm using an Uno reverse card. I thought it was kind of funny because I do take these videos and I cut them and I go and usually edit them in reverse when I take off the makeup. But what you want to do is you want to cut it, size it to your head, and then draw a red line to see where it's going to stick. Now we're going to take liquid latex, put it on one side of the card, and I accidentally flipped it the other way, but stick it down to your head and hold it for a couple of seconds. It takes about 10 seconds for it to fully and totally stick, so take the next card and bend it and hold it for a couple of seconds. From there, we're going to take cotton, and we're going to put it onto one side, use liquid latex to wet it, and then continue to go and bunch up small amounts of it over to where the side of the cut card is. Make sure there's a small amount that goes a little bit past the card as well, and then continue to put down the cotton, and after the cotton is down, go and put liquid latex over the top of it to go and create a blended out area and to make it look a little bit flatter. This is going to take some of the extra wrinkles out and just make it look a little bit more natural. Now take some setting powder and put it over the top of the liquid latex. This is going to take some of the shine off of the liquid latex. After that is down and the latex is fully dried, take a flesh tone concealer and put it over the liquid latex. Make sure to go and blend this in with your skin, and from there, go and add a red line to where the card and the latex meet. Do this on both of them, and it's okay if it gets a little bit messy. Then follow it up with a black line on the outer portion. It doesn't have to be fully and totally correct where exactly it lays, because we're going to be adding fake blood in the next step. As long as you have this little bit of separation here. Now what you're going to do is take a little bit more of the red cosmetic before you go and put on the fake blood. Just blend it a slight amount. Again, make sure it overlaps everything. And now we're going to go and put fake blood. Put this at the separation between where the liquid latex and the card meet, and make sure to extend it a little bit further onto the sides. You can also use your fingers to pat it down a little bit, but you want to still leave that little bit of a clumped area where the card and the latex meet. It's going to look a bit more realistic if you do. Make sure to put a small amount down past where the card sits as well. And from there, you're going to go and take more of the fake blood and really make it drip. This is actually a Karo syrup based fake blood that I made. The first one was professional special effects makeup, but I also have this one as well, and this one drips a bit better. And after the makeup is set, it should look like this. All throughout October, I'll be posting a new special effects makeup video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great one and happy spooky season.